warm out here. What's up, guys? Welcome to BellsRides. I'm Belle. So, as you know, Andy and I have spent the last 2.5 years looking for this boat, finding it, taking possession of it, and completely refurbishing it. And it's for sale. Yep, it's for sale. It's time for a new adventure. So, what are we gonna do? What is our new adventure? What do you think? You think it will be another RV, going full time in an RV again? We know that it's not gonna be a diesel pusher, but what will it be? And what can we do in the meantime while we're waiting for the anchor to be sold? Affectionate term, that is. Anyway, we're waiting for the right owner to find Sea Boss and make it their own. But in the meantime, that right there is going to be part of our adventure. Well, this is it. This is our new adventure from 70 feet to 52 feet and now 15.5 feet. We have our overland setup ready and we are overlanding from Brunswick, Georgia to Placerville, California. I've used OnX Off Road to map out several routes from here to California and back. By the way, this video is not sponsored by OnX, but I really love the usability of the map and the different features and layers. Before we share the details of the next epic adventure, I just wanted to say thank you for your continued support. If you're new here and you like travel adventures, hit the like button, and while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. All right, here's the plan. We plan to take back roads, dirt roads, trails, and use highways as little as possible as we travel from Brunswick, Georgia to Placerville, California. We will be running parts of the Georgia Traverse Trail, the Trans-America Trail, also known as the TAT. We will be hitting the trails in the backcountry of the Ozarks, which I'm really excited about. We will be revisiting Eureka Springs, checking out the Cat House, and we will be hitting the $1 Million Highway, crossing the Ore Pass into Telluride, and then visiting the Valley of the Gods. Later, we will camp on the bank of the Colorado River, visit the north rim of the Grand Canyon, and then we'll hit the Zions and the Great Basin. And all this is before we get to California. There's even more adventure and trails to hit on our way back from California. If you have a favorite trail that you like or a backcountry road, let me know in the comments down below and maybe we'll get to check it out. But first, we have to do a shakedown run. Maybe a little bit of beach camping, where we'll go over our setup and right there in camp and let you know what works and what doesn't work. So until next time, enjoy the ride.
This has got a lot of water over here.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah,
That's an actual swamp.
that looks the same.
Oh, yeah. Stay tuned for next week's episode of the Shakedown Run.